For the 2025 model update, the R1300JS introduces two innovative features aimed at enhancing your riding experience and prioritizing your safety on the road. Now the Pacesetter offers an automated shift assistant and a rear-end collision warning system, meaning that riders may choose to change gears manually using the existing gear shift pedal on the left foot, but without needing to use the clutch. What sets it apart from the well-known gear shift assistant, also known as a quick shifter, is that from starting at zero to braking back to zero, the clutch doesn't need to be pulled anymore. In fact, there is no clutch lever anymore. And for more comfort, riders may also switch from M to D at any time for a new experience, while the gears will be automated shifted. A selection of riding modes, Eco, Rain, Road and Enduro, directly affect the response characteristics of the bike. Now let's focus on the new rear-end collision warning system. Similar to the ACC or Active Cruise Control sensor at the front, we have integrated a radar sensor into the rear as well. This sensor detects when a vehicle is approaching too quickly and alerts the traffic behind you by rapidly flashing the bright taillights and preventing accidents. Also, the adaptive vehicle height suspension can be combined together with the sport suspension in the future. I'm sure you have many questions, so please ask them in the comments and tune in for the answers coming soon.